To brew the perfect cup of Earl Grey tea, measure about 6 grams, zero point 0.2 ounces of loose leaves per 1 cup, 240 milliliters of water. If you're using tea bags, use 1 to 2 bags, depending on how strong you want your brew to be. Fill a kettle or pot with fresh cold water and bring it to a boil. Then let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Warm your teacup or teapot by pouring a little hot water into the bottom and swirling it around before pouring it out. Put your tea leaves or tea bag into the cup or pot, then pour the hot water over it. Let the tea steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag or strain out the leaves. Drink the tea plain to enjoy the natural flavor of Earl Grey, or mix in sugar, lemon, milk, or cream.